Hi, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making abacha using potash. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm using for this. I'm going to be listing them in the description box on this video. So next, I'm going to put my fish in the baking tray and put them in the oven to dry. So guys, this video was made 2018 when I started YouTube journey. So I just got monetized recently and YouTube removed the video because of the music I used on the video. Next, I'm adding Maggi, and then I'm going to add salt, break the Maggi and add my potash. So as I was saying, YouTube took down that video because of the sound I used on that video. So guys, this is my potash. I've already melted the potash in water. Remember, your potash has a lot of stand. Don't put it straight away. So next, I'm going to sieve the potash water into the mortar. So YouTube took down that video because of the sound, because of the sound I used. So if you are using InShot to edit your video, be mindful of the sounds on InShot. If you use their sounds, most of them, you are going to get warning, monetization warning, if you are monetized already or you are yet to monetize. Guys, next I'm adding oil on the potash. I'm going to mix it until it's going to become very, very thick. This very video is one of the videos that went viral in my channel. This video has about 20-something thousand views. It has about 3,000 comments. But YouTube took down the video because of the sound I used on it as soon as I was monetized. So that is why I'm posting the video back. So guys, as you can see, the potash has made the oil very thick. Next, I'm going to be adding pepper on it. I'm going to mix it up. The reason why I'm adding all these ingredients is because when I transfer it into the abacha, I don't need to start adding salt and Maggi. So everything is well mixed before I add it in the abacha. So next, I'm adding my crayfish. I'm going to mix it up properly before I transfer it into abacha. So if you are using InShot, be mindful of their sounds. Most of their sound is going to give you warning on your platform. There is another app I use that their music, ever since I started using that app, their sound, I haven't got any warning from their sound. If you're interested of that app, let me know. I'm going to share it in the comment section with you. Guys, once I'm done mixing it, next is to pour hot water on my abacha. This very video went viral on my TikTok account. It went viral on my Facebook account. I think on TikTok, it has about 100,000 views. It has about 11 to 12,000 shares. And on Facebook, they are still sending me messages on this very particular video. So guys, it's just so annoying that on YouTube, my video was taken down. Once I've put the abacha in hot water, I'm going to sieve it out and then transfer it into the pot. Next, I'm going to be adding my mixture on it and then mix it up nicely. I've been using InShot for a very long time. I think I'm one of their first customers. When I first started this YouTube channel of a thing, I saw InShot on my app store, and that time they were selling the app for about £23. I bought it for lifetime, but I think now they are no longer doing it anymore. You pay yearly. So I've been their old customer. So if you are making use of InShot, be mindful of the sounds there to avoid you deleting your video or trying to download your video. So guys, I'm just going to mix it up properly, and then that is it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave good comment and share. Next, I'm just going to test the abacha. Abacha is my favorite food. So you might see my mouth moving separately. This video, like I said, was done 2018 when I started YouTube for the first time. See me saying that you use your hand to eat abacha. We don't use fork to eat abacha. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, if you're new to my channel and you like my video, please subscribe and let's become friends, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. See you all on my next one. This abacha sef gone dey hungry me. Be like say I go do am again. Bye guys.
The Pope takes a poop and the president too.